Hello, my name is Juan Sanchez Gomez. Today I am going to talk about my bucket list and my future goals. What is a bucket list? A bucket list is a list of dreams I want to achieve in my life. It helps me stay focused. Travel to Spain is one of my main goals is to travel to Spain. I would like to visit Madrid and Barcelona and learn about their culture. If I travel there, I will have new experiences. Start my own business. I also want to start my own business. I believe that a successful business is built with effort and dedication. Improve my physical condition. Another goal is to improve my physical conditions. If I exercise regularly, I will feel healthy and have more energy. Finish my degree. I want to finish my degree is business administrations because it's important for my future. Head a promotion. I also go to head and promotions in my job. My supervisor said that I am responsible person. Learn to drive. In addition, I want to learn how to drive so I can be more independent. Study another career. I would like to study another career because I enjoy learning. My teacher told my dad in your questions is very important. Live in another country. Finally, I want to live in another country. If I live abroad, I will learn new cultures and grow as a person. Conclusions. In conclusions, I will work hard to achieve all my goals. Thank you.